Hey guys, MPF Rabbit here, and this is my first Airsoft action video. Unfortunately the quality is not amazing. I hope to invest in a GoPro, but yeah, the game mode for this is there are several buildings dotted around the map, and we had to go in and claim each one. If you claim a building, you can then go respawn at that building, but if you're shot in the building, you cannot respawn there. You have to go to a different one you own. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this footage, and I'm sorry about the quality in some places, and yeah, there's not a lot I can do about that little laser. So I hope you enjoy, and goodbye.
You're being targeted. Don't waste your ammo, guys. Wait, don't they start just? Don't they start pretty much just opposite us?
Before, pretty much, yeah. That laser was right in my eye then.
Was it? Claim this one, guys. Claim this one. Has this one been claimed?
I don't know. Go in there and find out.
Has it been claimed? I'm guessing so. Might as well find out.
Mate, your laser's all over the place.
I know. Is this claimed, is it?
I don't know. Where's the thing?
Yeah, it's ours.
Ding ding ding!
That's why I just said, let's go to the track. You know, out the track.
You can work at a church. How the hell am I getting in there? No, someone's got to go in there to change it. Someone's got to go in there to change it.
To be fair, we sort of have the distinct advantage with the church.
Yeah.
Because we got the door on our side, so.
Yeah, we can just like.
Where is the church? Oh, over there.
You've been in more stuff than me, I know.
Mate, I was just grabbing my bearings at the time. It all looked the same. I think we've already got it.
What's that?
The church.
Guys, I need a tool.
I don't think you can hotbox it right now. I think we've already got it.
At the moment you come out of this brush, you'll see a rinse that.
Not really.
Yeah, we got it. We got the church.
Sweet.
That turret that gates over there, right in front of you with the thin windows.
Yeah.
They're in there.
Mate, my laser is going to give me away so much.
No, it's not. I'll see.
Mate, look, you can see it on the church. It's alright.
Zoom up.
What? Mate, they're on the other side of here.
Huh?
They're on the other side of here.
Just strolling.
See, I want to go in, but like...
Let's go in then. In you go. Go on, get in there.
Camera quality is crap then. Oh god. I thought I was going this way.
Hi guys. Where are they? You see them? Have it.
Oh god. Unlucky man.
We'll go back to where's the nearest building?
The OP Alpha or the church. Oh,
OP Alpha.
yeah, you can respawn there.
Get me closer.
Try not to have my camera give me away too much, so I've got my laser. There's no, I think that was mine anyway. Oh no, that's the cameraman.
Yeah, next to him in the tree.
I know. Someone's moving. Can't see him.
Single fire for a window, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's it.
Right. You
And
see?
that's in front
Yeah,
of us.
right in front of her. That had to have got him in the face. Come on. What, you're joking? Sit down.
You get one?
Yeah. Oh, in it. Sorry, dude. Oh, he's respawning in there. There's two in that one. I'm pretty sure there's two in that mesh. There's someone else in here.
I'm going to chuck my smoke into there. Christian,
Yeah?
my smoke's going over.
Your smoke's going over?
Yeah.
I'd throw it from outside, mate. I'm taking rounds. I'll throw it outside, mate.
Huh?
I'd throw it outside.
I am throwing it outside.
Ah, fair enough. Right. We got two in the mesh just opposite.
Is that your light?
Yeah, that's my light. I know, it's rather annoying. Yeah, that mesh right in front of us.
Oh, guys.
Did you just get hit from outside?
No, I literally just got hit outside.
It's working.
Oh, alright, fellas. Alright, Brad, I'm back again. I got hit on the outside, yeah?
Don't watch your head, Jesse.
One in the MG.
Bullshit then, Brad.
Mate, let him know there's one in the MG nest.
Right, fuck it. I'm going to try to get into the ditch.
Mate! Dude by barrier!
I don't want David to set a candidate.
Dude by the barrier, there's one in the MG nest.
Brad, how far did that go?
I don't know, mate.
Not very fucking
Not very far, Brad.
As soon as I lit it, it exploded in my hand.
It's supposed to. It's what they do.
What? Pop in your hand?
Yeah.
Mate! MG nest dead ahead! I'm going out, I'm going out. Mate, you can respawn here, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch it, I've got fire coming. Straight from the MG nest.
There's someone in there and there's someone in the Land Rover there.
Yeah. I think MG nest is down. Oh, not. Mate, there's one in the MG nest, be careful. A bit exposed there. Oh, sorry.
Right.
That's red there. That's red. Offhand. Damn, you're a sniper, mate. Didn't know that. Jesus! I ain't liking this. You got one in the nest, pretty much right in front of the church. Yeah, my laser gives me away, so. Right. Mate, do you have like a striker or something? Damn it. Should have kept that striker.
Eh?
Should have kept that striker. There's some right in the MG nest, pretty much right opposite the church, so watch yourself there. Watch yourself. Unlucky, mate. You can respawn here because you haven't been inside it. If you were inside and you were hit, then you couldn't respawn. But yeah, it's pretty much, you can respawn here, so. I'm gonna try and make a move, but I don't know. I want to make a move, but I'm not sure where to. Shit. Someone just fell over. That was a rebound. I heard it hit the tree first. Rebound! Better cool it just in case.
It's a big different at the also, you just want to do it.
Yeah.
It just runs out too quick.
Yeah. I want to move. Whoa!
Whoa!
Where's that coming from? That was coming from that way, I swear it. Oh, it was pinging off the tree. Mate, that was proper close.
Yeah, it was close, isn't it?
I'm going to try and make a move over to there. It's going to be risky, but I'm going to do it. Go! Do we own that there? I'm guessing we own that just in front of us. I'm guessing we own that just in front of us. Hey guys. You're saying that didn't hit him? Oh, come on!
It's so good, I got so even out.
Sean, can you see that guy just behind the bush, behind the tower? See that bush?
Yes, I know where he is because he just got me over there.
Oh, I'm out. I don't know, probably. Mate, one moving up.
Chris, you do it casual like this, you know?
Huh?
You do it casual like this.
Yeah.
Right, you fucking red blue scum. Let's be having with you.
I'm pretty sure there's one just behind the tower at the moment, yeah. Whoa! Fuck hell! Fair play!
What's the rule on that kill?
Oh,
I salute you, sir. I actually salute you. I will shake your hand.
mate, where do you come from?
You've got a long way to go to get to a red spot now. No, we ain't. We're just going now. Damn it. Someone shoot him. Anyone. Get him. Did he get you? How did you get him?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's not good enough.
I just got proper knife.
They got the prison, I think. No, they haven't.
Is
They
it
got the
all?
prison. Chris, how's your Glock?
I haven't used it yet, but
Run over there to the prison and shoot him.
9-7, red, 9-7.
mine's 7 to us.
Dude, they got the prison, I think. Watch him. Watch it, I don't trust him.
He's here, he can't, he's got to go to a different respawn, he's been hit.
I don't trust him.
Right, let's go take this. Let's go back. Let's backtrack.
I want to make sure that prison is still blue.
Red!
Check it.
Nate, check some of the build.
Check the red, check the red.
Where's the pin? Where's the pin? Nah, it's red.
It's red, straight.
Did he respawn here when it was blue?
No. Is that how it was blue, but it was taken down?
I know.
I might ditch it and go along. What do you fancy?
What?
Go along the ditch.
I don't know.
It's a good juice at you. We're being named that move.
But I can tell you now, I'm going to move. Mate, that guy is such a ninja.
Yeah, my aim is, and I'll kill the bitch before me with a knife. It's unacceptable. Right, Chris, we've got to shoot the nice guy. It's unacceptable.
I'm watching my 6 from now on. Mate, do you want to try sort this smoke out?
Yeah. No promises I can get it to you, but give me a lighter.
Yeah. Mate, best place to throw it is in front of all those guys there so we can move up. Oh, never mind.
Smoke.
Huh?
We win!
Did we win?
No, no.
What was the score at the end?
9-7
Ah. Sweet.
Boy, don't get it.
Did you just try to shoot me?
No. I tried to shoot you, I'd hit you.
I don't know, you couldn't shoot a can, so.
Oh, it's a nice guy, you come in.
Yeah, I want to stop shooting right in front of people, man. You might accidentally hit them. Good fight, man.
You were literally dropping about where the barrels are.
What, a few feet in front of you?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you reckon if I shot off one barrel, I'd hit the other barrel?
What, ricochet?
Yeah. No, ricochet off one barrel to the other. What do you reckon?
I tried aiming up.
Nope. I've only got one then. You need to get that perfect angle, don't you?
Guys, double the floor. Who's up? Look down.
Oh, that's mine.
Look down.
You'd have got me in the leg then.
I was stood right up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was shooting you for ages.
Yeah, no, literally everybody